A one-star review shows up on Google at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday. You're exhausted. You're frustrated. And you know that if you type what you're actually thinking, you'll regret it by morning. That's the situation almost every small business owner has been in. How you handle that moment can either cost you customers or quietly win them over. Here's what most owners don't realize. Potential customers don't just read the bad review. They read your response. A calm, thoughtful reply can do more for your reputation than a dozen five-star reviews. It shows people that when something goes wrong, you don't hide. You show up. The problem is writing that response when you're emotionally in it is really hard. That's where AI can genuinely help. AI doesn't get defensive. It doesn't take things personally. You give it the review and context, and it hands you a solid draft in 15 seconds. You're not outsourcing your voice. You're just getting past the blank page when your brain is too tired to start. How to do this? Before opening any AI tool, grab the full text of the review. Paste the actual words, not a summary. If you tell the AI something vague like, "Someone complained about slow service," you'll get a vague response. But if you paste, "Waited 45 minutes past my appointment time, no apology from staff, won't be back," now the AI has something real to work with. Which tool to use? ChatGPT from OpenAI is the most flexible. There's a free version and a paid plan for $20 a month. The honest limitation: the free version produces weaker drafts than the paid version. Google Gemini is free with a Google account and connects naturally if your business uses Google Workspace. It's good at warmth and empathy, but tends to run long. Birdeye is built for review management and costs around $299 per month. For a small business with a handful of reviews monthly, it's overkill. Write a prompt that works. Tell the AI your business type and name. Paste the full review. Then ask it to write a response that acknowledges frustration without being defensive, takes responsibility, offers to make things right, sounds human, and stays under 150 words. Example: a bakery customer reviews. Ordered a custom cake 2 weeks in advance, and it wasn't ready on time. Ruined my daughter's birthday party. ChatGPT might respond, "We're truly sorry. Missing your daughter's birthday cake is not something we take lightly. This fell short of what we promised, and that's on us. We'd love the chance to make it right. Please reach out directly so we can talk about how we can fix this." The critical step most people skip. Never post an AI response without reading it yourself first. Read it out loud. Ask if it sounds like you. Check if the facts are right. AI doesn't know your actual policies. Make sure there's a clear next step for the customer. And confirm it actually addresses the complaint made. Save responses you're happy with. Most negative reviews fall into a few categories: slow service, wrong order, rude staff, pricing confusion. Build a library of starting points to adjust, making the process even faster. That one-star review at 11 p.m., you don't have to respond angry or perfectly. You just have to respond. AI gets you to a good draft fast. You make it sound like you. Then you post something that shows the next person reading it exactly the kind of business you're trying to run.